I'm here in Jamaica, Doctor's Cave Beach, one of my favorite beaches. We're in Montego Bay. I was up this morning at 4 a.m. I was in Virginia, took a flight to Charlotte, then a flight from Charlotte directly here. Standing next to me is Jake Lubinski, he's president of AxioMed, chief operating officer of SpineFrontier. These are two portfolio companies under KICVentures. We're here in Jamaica. Tomorrow we're doing surgery on a patient. She's a physician. She works in the Ministry of Health. Very high profile job. We're going to do a 4-level disc replacement on her cervical spine through the front with the AxioMed technology. That's why Jake, the president, is here. Jake is from Massachusetts. Why don't you say something, Jake? You grew up in Wisconsin, right?
That's right, grew up in Wisconsin, and now I'm finding myself in Jamaica. The sun and the mountains in the background.
Let's show them what we're looking at here.
It's unbelievable.
Amazing, right? You look at the mountains over here, toward the back. It's a beautiful place.
It's gorgeous.
All right, so I'm gonna walk around a little bit and let you understand. Here's the message today. There's something that I wanna say to black people. I'm a black surgeon, entrepreneur, businessman, CEO of KICVentures, our investment firm. Went to Harvard University, Columbia University, president of my senior class, was an athlete, Ivy League Player of the Year. I'm telling you this, you've heard me say it before, consider myself very successful. But here's what I'm doing today. I made sure that I came here to enjoy what we have. Black people have so much resources in the world, all of Africa, all these Caribbean countries. We have all this. But guess what we don't do? We don't use it. We don't. We don't come to our own beaches, spend money in our own countries. Jamaica is a country majority black people. But we depend on other races to support our country's tourism. We need to start supporting Jamaica, support Trinidad, support all these Caribbean countries. Go to Africa and go on the safari and support our own. Marcus Garvey is my hero. He always said this. Empower yourself, support your own. That doesn't mean you're racist. It just means that you're smart. Pool your resources. Come to Jamaica. Enjoy the beautiful country. Don't just rely on other ethnic groups to do that for us. So I'm imploring every Jamaican who is abroad somewhere. You can start coming to Jamaica and spending your money here. Enjoy this. It cost me 600 Jamaican dollars to come to this beach. That's barely $3, $4. It's amazing. We had jerk today. It cost me about 10 bucks. So this is something black people don't do enough of. We don't support each other. We don't support our business. And take some time off and relax. Save some money. Work a separate job and find your way to Jamaica and come and enjoy this beautiful beach. I recommend Doctor's Cave Beach in Montego Bay. This is where I am today. All right, come on down. We'd love to have you here.